What's going on YouTube? Not your average hybrid, back with another video. And today I'll be going over, a little review. But let's go straight over it. Okay, today, or I guess the other day, as you may know, you feel me, I got my emissions test done. Boom, bada boom, as you know, or some of you may know if you have emissions test in your state where you're from. What they have to do is, go on the little computer and all that, and then they have to plug OBD2, little scanner thing into your little port. So, I had the Powertune Engine Tuning Module plugged in there. So, for them to plug it in, I had to remove that. So, long story short, you feel me? It's right here, still uninstalled, and I've been driving around for about a day, you feel me, with it uninstalled. And to tell you guys, 100% honest, do this thing really work? Yes, it do. Like, I was driving around this morning. You feel me? I know it was in eco mode. I know it was in eco, but you feel me? I never have to really fluid my car. So, I was pulling out, fluid my car. Was phony. Like, I never have to fluid my car, you feel me? So I fluid my car still felt like I was driving, you feel me, like a Toyota Camry or something real slow, like it had no pickup. You feel me? I know it's an eco, but with this thing installed, eco mode at least feel like, you feel me, a nice little standard mode. So it's just the final, you feel me, product review of the Powertune Engine Tuning Module. This thing definitely works. I having it installed, knowing the difference, and having it uninstalled, and you feel me, feeling the lack of power, lack of acceleration. My RPMs don't go up as high, so $80, this thing definitely, it may not seem like it do much, but drive with it on your car for a while and take it off and drive like that again, you'll definitely notice the difference. But now that this is over, I'm gonna definitely plug him right back in. Forget that. Yes, sir. But don't worry, guys. I'm back in business. Don't worry, baby. I'll never uninstall you ever again. Yeah, baby. Like, no. But yeah, guys, you already know what's going on. A few Revs for you. Come on now, guys. Guys. Till next time.